nigga, and it's on, nigga. Hit me, nigga, and it's on, nigga. Hey. Yo, chill down. Yo, chill out. Ooh. I'm scared. I never done that. No.
Take it to the burnout bin way.
Yeah, I think we're going in perfect circles, right?
Yeah, it was good. Good? How you feel?
I feel good.
Sheesh, look at these tires back here, you guys. Y'all see that one's basically done. And right now we're actually about to get our hair cut. Yeah, we're just waiting for the homie to pull up. Jerry, how you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling good. We already had a lot of fun, and it hasn't even started. You know, we just had a lot of fun with our friends. But we have to get the tacuache haircut in full action.
Yes, sir.
No? We're about to haircut my boy as well, even though he's a little bit bald, but just look something. That's fucked up.
Hey, I could have thought chose to come out shit. Fuck yeah. What's up, bro?
What's up?
¿Qué rollo con el pollo, güey?
¿Qué rollo?
You gonna do some donuts today or what?
Nah. Hey, you wanna swing one of my trucks? I'll let you. Fuck them, man.
Damn, dude, I crash it.
You can practice. You can do it right now and practice a little.
If you crash, I'm gonna play a little meme for you, bro. I'll let the comment section finish it off.
Not just you, bro. The whole freaking people will make that shit. That shit will go viral. We came to pick up my truck. There was a truck show out here about 2 weeks ago, and I brought my 3 trucks. But since this is one of the older ones, and there was gonna be another show 2 weeks later, I just decided to park my truck, leave it here parked in Las Vegas with one of my family members. So yeah, what we're doing is, last time we got too lazy to swap off the tires. It all burnt out because we were doing a lot of burnouts. So now we gotta pay for it, you know. Earlier we were just tired. We're like, fuck it, we'll change it when we come back, and that's what we're doing now. Now we gotta change it. And we're messing up because it's hot, you know. This is not the business. But look at this. Tires are gone. The good thing is we have new ones though, both of them. And we're gonna do the same shit again at this new show. And then the reason why I didn't want to take it home as well is because it's an older truck, you know. So it's a lot. It's about like 200 miles going and coming. So it's too much for the truck. So you know. But we need to get it washed. Look at this shit. It's all dirty.
Yeah, you guys check it out. So we're about to change that bottom tire right now. He's the only one that's popped, huh?
Yeah. The other one too is just a half. What? Off the ground. Oh yeah? Yeah. It is off the ground. Isn't it? No, it's like a little bit.
So I didn't get the chance to capture you guys, but this truck was rolling forward because like he's lifting it from the back and it's kind of on an uphill in the driveway. So I'm holding the brake, and I got the e-brake in here right now to make sure that this thing doesn't go forward. Got the e-brake put right there. All right, guys, so we actually managed to turn this thing on. You guys can go watch it on my boy Jerry Tweek's channel because I was filming him when we did it, but it is on now. He got the tires on the back too changed.
We're ready.
Oh, you know, these were the old ones. What are these old ones on? These are a whole other set of tires. Yeah, these are new.
I could drive home.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, so these are just burners that we got.
These are the ones you're gonna just tear up.
Yeah, exactly.
They're about to wash Jerry's truck right now. Today is the party, the event, like a party, like a before party or before, I don't know, before event, before the actual event. I don't know what you call it. But his homies just pulled up right now and they're gonna just wash it up.
No, it doesn't go up. That shit just broke like that. So I don't know. We could put something or just careful when we.
Yeah. Mobile. Look at this.
We're gonna do carefully.
Okay.
We're with him.
With him dropping off?
Yeah, his truck too.
No alcohol in the trucks, nothing?
No, it's just like a whole bottle of tequila. It would be nice.
Hey, but keep it in the truck.
I was joking.
Because no glass allowed the car. It's a show car.
I was joking though. Sheesh. So we're gonna come get some food right here, you guys. It's called Las Islitas here in Las Vegas. We'll see how good it is. Honestly, I've never been here before. Jerry's vlogging too. See how it goes.
Música, muchachos, sinaloense dice fierro por la costera, vámonos.
Oh, it's so sexy. Sheesh. Oh, the guy apparently that owns this Lamborghini, he owns this right here. And like these are some of the services that he does. So he has like vinyl wraps, paint protection, ceramic coating, window tinting, commercial graphics, and that got him a Lamborghini. Si quema, no quema. Whoa, una donut.
I love it with the teeth and everything.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
What can I get you?
I'm gonna get the CCB, please.
Would you like grilled or fried chicken?
Can I get fried?
Oh, I try it? So I just stick it in there,
I'll
right?
grab these menus.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, what is that? What is
Drunken
that?
donkey. Rate it, rate it.
You can tell there's alcohol in there, but like you can't really taste it. It's crazy. Look, taste it. It's pretty good. It tastes like peanut butter. It tastes like a Recess.
Oh,
Here, let me record you.
just be careful because the thing pops. Well, that's actually a really good combination. So I literally had to grab my backpack, right? Because the homie Lalo left it in the trunk of the truck. Like oh look, they got full send on their truck. That's kind of cool. And I had to go grab it because I got my camera in here. I have all kinds of shit, my beats, you know? Check it out though. Maybe, yeah. We're about to go check like all the parked cars so you guys can kind of see. But this is basically what it is. There's people just like eating food and stuff all behind me, buying drinks. Bro, that moonshine smacked me. Hey, let me show you guys this truck though. Hold up. Hold up, hold up. We them boys.
This is trucking.
We're the
You can see.
Smoke this shit. Tell me how it smokes. Yeah. Hey, what's up? Though? I follow you on Instagram. Hell yeah. That's what's up, though. Right. We're about to take a picture real quick. I get it. Alright. What was your name, bro? Fredo. Nice to meet you, Fredo. Yeah, nice to meet you. Alright, bro. Nice to meet you, cuz.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Hey,
that's fucking crazy.
Alright, bro.
I've never seen you at a truck show.
Hey, this is my first time.
Show, but not at a truck show.
This is my first time. Se cuidan. Sale, bro. Te cuidas, güey. Hasta luego. Yeah.
We got the blood ready for you.
What's up, compa?
Go fuck shit up, my boy.
Guys, so the cops came, they kicked everybody out because people were fighting. We're getting out of here right now. Look at this. Oh my god.
Back in the pit.
Oh shit, let me show y'all.
Oh. Hey, yo, hold on. Come on. Hold up. He knows he's out.